An employee can be added on the member portal as a user, or in some instances a third-party representative can be added as an agent. To access the eCARE self-service portal, the member must enter the email, password, and click the Sign In button. Click the Manage Users option at the top of the screen or the Self-Service Access tab. Click the Add icon to continue to add the user. Enter the user details and select whether you are adding a member or an agent. A member is an employee for the member, and an agent is a third party that is responsible for submitting declarations on behalf of a member. Click the Save icon. Take note that the user has been successfully linked to the member profile. The status will remain pending and only change to active when the agent has been activated. Click the Logout option to exit the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully linked a user to a member profile.